Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So I just wanted to say thanks so much for my new subscribers. Thank you for clicking that red button. I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed and you don't know who I am, my name is Gail. I make things from polymer clay and then I show you how to do it in a tutorial. So today I'm going to make a pair of shoes. Now you might think that's really weird, but this is for kids and this is how they learn to tie their laces. So here we go. Okay, so I haven't got much out at the moment, but I'm going to bring in all the fancy stuff in a little while once I've done this part first. So I cut these out on plain paper and I printed this out from a little design that I saw on Pinterest. So I've just literally cut around it. It's on paper at the moment. And this is a ball of polymer clay, which is all sorts of colours and all sorts of styles. And it's just a sort of a grey, sort of purpley colour. But I'm going to be changing the colour of this anyway, so it really doesn't matter. This is a project that you can use with scrap, so it's brilliant for this. So I am going to use these two dotting tools, and these are the ones that are medium and small, and then I've got the ones with the latex ends on there. Then I've got a little small scoop for glitter. And then I've got this plastic red tool because what I intend to do is, once I've made it out of this, just mark in the lines with this. So, I'm going to make a start. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So I had so much fun with this. It's so simple to make. As you saw, it was just flat clay, scrap clay, and then coloured with mica powders, bit of glitter and some ribbon. So the ribbon I've actually threaded right the way through. So if you wanted to teach your little ones how to thread as well as tie the bow, this is perfect for that as well. And the extra bit I thought, putting the left and then of course on my other one here, the right, I thought that was just a handy way of a little bit of extra teaching. So this is how you create a shoe from polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you so much for my really much to I really appreciate you hitting that red button. It tells YouTube that people like my content and it recommends it to new people.